Good morning students, welcome back to Max class. Let's start today's class with a math puzzle. Are you ready to solve it? Yes. Can you identify the name of the shape? Yes, very good. It's a hexagon. Now your task is drawing just 3 lines. Can you transform the hexagon to a cube? So once again I am repeating. Drawing just 3 lines. Can you transform the hexagon to a cube? Your time starts now. Yes, very good. The answer is you have to draw just 3 lines, right? 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Now we have transformed this hexagon to a cube. In the previous class, we have learnt about value of an expression. How to find value of an expression? Yes, we have to substitute the value for the given variable given in an expression. What's the value of a plus b the whole square when a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2? Yes, very good. Substitute the value of a and b in the given algebraic expression. So 1 plus 2 the whole square is equal to 9. So as a continuation of that, in today's class we are going to solve problems. Example 4. Find the perimeter of the rectangle with length is 12 cm and breadth is given as 4 cm. So what's the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle? Yes. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth. Let us solve this one. Perimeter of the rectangle, which is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth units. So what's the value of length given in the question? Yes, 12 centimeter. Breadth is given as 4 centimeter. What's the unit given in the question? Centimeter. So centimeter. 2 into, what's the value of 12 plus 4? Yes, 16 centimeter. 2 into 16 is 32 centimeter. So perimeter of the circle rectangle is equal to 32 centimeter when length is equal to 12 centimeter and breadth is equal to 4 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Yes. The next example. Find the area and perimeter of the circle with radius 7 centimeter. So here they ask you to find the area as well as the perimeter of the circle. What's the formula to find the area of the circle? Yes, very good. Pi r square, square units. What's the formula to find the perimeter of the circle? Yes, 2 pi r units. Let us solve this one. First, let us find the area of the circle. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square, square units. What's the value of pi? Yes, value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. Value of r given in the question is 7. So this is r square. So I can write 7 for 2 times. And the unit given in the question is centimeter. Now you can cancel 1 7 is 7 and 1 7 is 7. So the remaining numbers are 22 and 7. Now multiply these two numbers. 7 2s are 14. Remaining 1. Again 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So 154 centimeter square. So this is square units now. So you have to write it as centimeter square. So area of the circle is equal to 154 centimeter square when R is equal to 7 centimeter. Is it clear? Yes. The question, they ask you to find the perimeter of the circle also. Now let us find the perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of the circle is equal to 2 pi r units, which is equal to 2 into the value of pi is 22 by 7. The value of r given in the question is 7 and the unit is centimeter. Now you can cancel 7. 1 7 is 7 and here 1 7 is 7. So the remaining numbers are 2 into 22. What's the value of 2 into 22? Is 44 centimeter. So perimeter of the circle is equal to 44 centimeter when r is equal to 7 centimeter. Can you understand? Yes. Exercise 4.2, third Roman letter. Given area of circle is equal to pi r square and perimeter is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius. Find the area and perimeter of the following radius. So we are going to solve the last one. .7 is your radius and they ask you to find the area as well as the perimeter. So first find the area of the circle. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square units. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into r is 0.7. So here r square, so you have to write it as 0.7 into 0.7. And here the unit given in the question is centimeter. This is square unit, so you have to write it as centimeter square. So now you can cancel this one. 1 7 is 7 and this is 0.17 is 7. Now we have to multiply these three numbers. First multiply the numbers, at last we can keep the decimal point. Okay, yes. Now 22 into 1 is 22. 22 into 7 is 154. Now how many decimal points are there? Yes, here 1 and here 1. So totally 2 decimal points. So you have to write it as from the right side 1 2. After 2 digits you have to keep the decimal point. Why we have to keep the decimal point here? Because here 1 decimal place and here 1 decimal place. Totally 2 decimal places are there. So after 2 numbers we have to keep the decimal point. So 1.54 centimeter square. Is it clear, children? Yes. So area of the circle is equal to 1.54 centimeter square when radius is equal to 0.7 centimeter. And they ask you to find the perimeter of the circle also, right? So what's the formula to find the perimeter of the circle? Yes, perimeter of the circle is equal to 2 pi r units, which is equal to 2 into the value of pi is 22 by 7 into the value of r given in the question is 0.7 and the unit is centimeter. Now you can cancel these numbers. 17 is 7 and 0.17 is 7. Now you have to multiply the numbers, at last we can keep the decimal point, okay. So 2 into 22 is 44, 44 into 1 is 44. Now how many decimal point is given here? Yes, there is only one decimal point. So after one number we can keep the decimal point here and the unit is centimeter. So perimeter of the circle is equal to 4.4 centimeter when r is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us recall what we have learnt in today's session. So we have learnt value of an algebraic expression based on perimeter of the rectangle, area of the circle and perimeter of the circle. What's the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle? Yes, 2 times of length plus breadth units. What's the formula to find the area of the circle? Yes, pi r square, square units. What's the formula to find the perimeter of the circle? Yes, 2 pi r units. Thank you.